Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's take a look at this option bar. We have to open more options, so let's tap on this on this icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 10, 5 and 3 seconds delay. So just mark the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. It is immediately highlighted, so let's go back and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can always turn off the timer. Just go back to those options and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.